Welcome back to our channel, guys. In this video we're gonna see about the top 5 coins that will make you rich in this bull run, guys. Okay, it's very simple, guys. Top 5 altcoins that can give you more than 1000x percentage. Okay, you can turn over $1 into 1000, that much profitable, and as well as that can make you rich, that we're gonna see today. So before that, you all know that there is a big TRX plan is going in our channel. You all know that we have made a lot of video about our channel. I'll show you the things, how this is working. Okay, if you are a newcomer, just join the link, just click on the link and register it. Okay, so I just shared the link in the description. Just click on the link and register it. The site name is TRX, guys. Okay, TRX, and this is the website, guys. See here, I have total balance of 9,35,488 TRX balance I'm having, okay, in my wallet account balance. Okay, see here, wallet account balance 9,35,488. That's a worth of $63,750, guys. Okay, 63,000. That's a worth of, you know, that more than 50,000 lakhs, 50 lakhs INR amount is available in my wallet, and I'm getting paid daily. Okay, just I'm getting paid 500 TRX, 1000 TRX daily, guys. Okay, that's a worth. Okay, if you are a newcomer, I'll share the link in the description. Okay, I'm just sharing the link in the description. Okay, just click on the link. Just click on the link and the page will be opened, and just enter your email, create a login password, create a security password, click on sign up, guys. Okay, so your account will be open, then you can sign in. That's it. Okay, then you can sign in. That's it. So your account will be open. After that, you can just make depositing your TRX to this deposit address. Click on basic option. You can deposit how much you want, and after that you can earn daily basis, guys. Okay, it's a best ever plan, guys. Don't miss it. Okay, guys, let's get into the video today. Okay, so I'm just opening my Binance account right now. So top 5 coins that can give you 1000x profit, that is available in Binance, guys. Okay, I'll show you how you can make that. Okay, so the market is little bit green today, and we're gonna see about top 5 coins that can give you 1000x profit, as well as that can make you rich in few years. That gonna be easy today. So all the top 5 coins are available in Binance Exchange. If you don't have Binance Exchange, just create the Binance account. I'm sharing the link in the description, guys. Okay, so guys, let's get into the video. Just click on the wallet. So guys, the first coin will be none other than our favorite coin, Cardano. Cardano is the best ever for the upcoming bull run, and Cardano is the fastest blockchain coin in the world. You all know that. As well as Cardano is not yet performed big in recent time. Okay, and for the upcoming bull run, you guys can't predict it. Within 2 to 3 years, you can't predict that Cardano will reach $1,500. That can easily give 1000x percentage. Okay, so you all know that the potential of the Cardano, we have made a lot of videos in our channel. If you want to know that about the Cardano potential, you can watch the latest videos. I just ping in the description, guys. Okay, so the first option will be none other than Cardano. There is no doubt at all. And the second coin will be Flex coin. Okay, the Flex coin is recently partnership with Cardano, and Flex coin have the large capability of going big potential one, guys. Okay, recently they are partnership with Cardano as well as the Cardano ecosystem. So as soon as possible, this Flex coin also gonna reach somewhat new age. Okay, so and the third option will be FTM, Phantom coin. Okay, so the Phantom coin have a great potential. In the recent years, it's not performed. Okay, so it's a undervalued gem. It like Phantom is performing. Okay, in recent years, this Phantom is performing like similar like undervalued gem. Okay, this is the best way you can make millions with these kind of cryptos. Okay, low cap gems like Phantom. Okay, Phantom is the best pick. If you pick that in your portfolio, Phantom is the best pick. You can make 1000x profit from the entry rate right now you have. Okay, so and the fourth option will be Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin, you all know that Dogecoin don't have that much potential, but still the Elon Musk, the world number one big promoter, is available and he is holding the coin. He similarly make the coin upwards as soon as possible in the upcoming bull run. Okay, so last 8th was $0.7 it went Dogecoin. So in the next upcoming bull run it will reach $1. There is no doubt at all. Okay, so how much you wanna holding, that much potential you will be getting. Okay, if you are holding for just for thousands coins, you will be getting $1,000 approximately easily. Okay, that much potential one is available here. Okay, and the fifth coin will be Gala Games. You all know that Gala Games is a gaming token. You all know that is a great platform, Gala Games, and a gaming platform token. Okay, there is no doubt at all. There is a lot of games or played by daily, and Gala Games is a good platform. That recent years it performed little bit good, but still the upcoming trend, it is not performed much. Okay, so guys, these are the top 5 coins that will give you good 1000x profit, as well as that will make you rich. Okay, the first one will be none other than the fastest blockchain coin in the world, Cadena, and the second one will be Flex, and the third one will be Phantom, and the fourth one will be Dogecoin, and the fifth one will be Gala Games. Okay, all the 5 coins are available here, guys. These 5 coins that will make you rich, I'm damn sure. Just hold this coin for 2 to 3 years, you will be rich. Okay, you will be richer in crypto. Okay, just 2 to 3 years, that's enough. If you hold this coin for 5 years, you will be rich. Just 3 years is enough. If you hold for 3 years, you will be rich, and you can become making a millions of dollars with this crypto coin. Okay, so you cannot do anything, you will damn sure you can make millions of dollars with this project. Okay, so top 5 that can make you thousand, you understand the value. So don't hesitate, be ready with the portfolio and make millions of dollars, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, we'll see you on another great video.